Operators in Power Query. Now, as you will see on the screen, there are many kind of operators in Power Query. Some are very similar to your Excel. If you will see the arithmetical operators, they are same with the Excel: plus, minus, multiplication, division, and power. Whenever we are talking about comparison operator, we generally use these kind of operator in if functions or decision making procedure. So if you are talking about Power Query, then we need to use these kind of operators in if then else statement. And if we are talking about logical operators and or and not, we have function in Excel like and, or, and not. When we are talking about text operator and, now this is very important in Power Query. So let's begin. Here is our blank Excel file. What I'm going to do, I'm going to load my blank Excel Power Query. So here we have data, and in the get data, here we have launch Power Query editor. This time I'm loading a blank Power Query. So now what I'm going to do, I'm simply clicking on new source, other source, and blank query. Now I'm opening my advanced editor. Now this time, let's say I am starting with concatenation. So what I'm going to do, I am going to concatenate a letter A with number 1. Let's see whether it is working or not. No, it is not working, because whenever we are talking about concatenation, it means concatenation does not work in Power Query when we are specifically focused on data type. Now what is data type in Power Query? Let's open the advanced editor. Now what we are trying to do over here, we are trying to concatenate a text with the number. So it is not possible in Power Query, while in Excel it is possible. Now let's check whether it can concatenate number with numbers. It is again showing the same problem. Now in Power Query, you can't concatenate number with numbers, because when you concatenate two numbers in Excel, let's say 5 and 3, 53, then it automatically becomes text. What you need to do, you need to add 0 in that. So that's why it is not able to convert that. Let's talk about text and text. So can it do that? Now it is able to do that. Now it can convert text and text into text. So everything which you will convert, that will result in text. Then it can concatenate. Means text and text can be converted. Text and numbers cannot be converted. Numbers and numbers cannot be converted directly. Let's talk about list. So here we have home and advanced editor. Let's say I am typing a random list. Let's say I am typing a list 1, 2, 3. Now let's talk about, can we concatenate list with list? Let's try. And here we have 4 and 5. So this time we have list 1, 2, 3, and second list is 4 and 5. Let's try and check whether we are able to concatenate that. Done. It is working. It means we can concatenate list with list, text with text. Now let's try the third example. Can we concatenate record also? Let's try. Here is the square bracket. I am typing a record. A is equal to 1, comma, B is equal to 2. Now I am going to concatenate with it. C is equal to 3. And done. It is able to do that. So it means we can concatenate records, list, and text. Now let's try to open our Excel once again. So I am simply closing and loading this in Excel file. Now what I'm going to do, I am going to create a new table, and the table data would be the same as the older one. Let's say here we have alphabet, and here we have numbers. So here we have 3 alphabets, A, B, and C, and here we have 3 numbers, 1, 2, and 3. Now if I'm going to load my Power Query, so click on data tab, and here we have from table and range. Click on it. My table has header. Yes, I have. So click OK. Now you will see on the screen. Now what I need to do, I need to concatenate these two lists. So what I can do, I can simply add a column, and here we have custom column. Let's try to concatenate these two lists, whether we are able to do so. So alphabets and numbers. Okay, error. See, the error is again same. We cannot concatenate numbers with text. Any solution for that? Yes, we have. So what we can do, we can simply select both cell, and here we have merge column. So we can merge both the column. Now what separator do you want? Do you want any separator or delimiter? No. So click OK, and you will see here we have merged the cell. Again, if you will see the data, here everything is written on the left side. It means everything is text. Let's try and let's try to close and load this file. Close and load. Now let's try once again. Now this time I am taking, here I am changing this one. I have changed B to 2. Now if I am going to refresh it, now see, it is working, but if you will see, 22 is written on the left side. That's why our AND operator was not working, because it is giving us text. Now what if we can add 0 in it, or we can convert this into a number. So let's load Power Query once again. Here is my table 2. Now what I need to do, let's try to convert data type into, let's select this column and convert this data type into number, whole number, and you will see this 22 is now on the right side, but other two are showing errors because we cannot convert text into numbers. Now this is the AND symbol, and that's how this is working. Now if we have text in both the columns, then it will be concatenated. In Power Query, whenever we are talking about data type, you will see source tab. After source, here we have change type. Now if you will see, Power Query is automatically changing every data type. So type alphabet, it has changed to text, and numbers, it has changed to integer. So if, let's say, again I am closing and loading this. So here is my data. Now what if I will change this to B, and if I will change this to B. Now again refresh it. Now this time it is not showing me correct answer. Let's check why. So again I am loading my Power Query, and this time you will see error, because here we have source and here we have change type. So if you will see numbers as an integer, so we can convert this number into integer, this number into integer, but we cannot convert text into integer. So what we can do, we can simply remove this and we can type any. Now any data type is, now you can enter anything, text, number, date, boolean, true and false is anything. Now click OK. Here we have any type. So any type, basically now you can see it is we can enter anything and you will see the result. B, concatenate with B. Here it is. Now here we have converted that thing into number. So here it is. If we are trying to concatenate with AND, let's try. So here we are going to load add column, custom column, and alphabets and numbers. Let's check whether it is working or not. Now you can see this time it is working. So this is data type, and let's close and load. So if we are talking about this thing, so we can concatenate text with text, list with list, and record with record. We cannot do that. Now if we will see the results, so if we will concatenate text with text, the result would be text. Text with null, we cannot concatenate text with null also, the null will blanks, so it will show me blank. Null with text, blank. Date with time, we can convert it, we can do that, and now it will show me date and time. Date with null, null. null with time, null, list with list. I have shown you list is arising. Now table and table we can also concatenate. Now here we have one more operator in Power Query that we don't have in our Excel, that is coalesce operator. Now what coalesce operator is? Let's see. Here we have data in two columns. Data 1. Now let's say here A is showing and here B is showing, here C is showing, here D is showing, here E and here F is showing. Now if I'm going to load this, now what I want to do, I want to concatenate these two columns into one, but if I will use AND key it will not work because A and null give me null. I will not able to do that. So select this and go to data tab. From table and range, my table has header, click OK. Now let me show you why AND is not working and what AND will give you. So simple, I am going to add a column, custom column, and here we have data and data 1, and you will see all are nulls. Now if you will see coalesce operator, now what we need to do, we need to simply replace this AND with double question mark. Now coalesce operator means now you can concatenate null with text. So it will give you the left text. If there would not be any text, then it will give you the right one. If there would be text, then it will always prevail the left one. Let's say here we have C and B, so it will show me C, A, C, C. So now click OK and A, B, C, D, E, F, G. So here we have coalesce operator question mark. So this is new operator in Power Query. And if we are talking about more operators, and you will see I have already told you about this operator, list operator, record operator, and here we have question mark. I will tell you the use of dot operator later on, but I want to tell you one or two more things in Power Query. Suppose in one column we have debits and in one column we have credits. Let's try to add those numbers. So let's file and close and load. So here we have debit and here we have credits. Now let's say I am typing 1, 2, 1 and again I'm taking 3, 4. So here is the debit and credit. Now what I want to do, I want to calculate net. When we do that, let's try. So select this and go to data tab, get data and launch Power Query editor. We have now selected our data, so we need to close it once again. Discard and close. Now we need to select table and range. From table and range, OK. Now my data has loaded. Now let's try whether it is able to do so by using simply plus minus. Let's try. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to add a column, custom column, and here we have debit minus credit. Now you will see 1 minus null. Null means blank. So can debit reduce the blank or can blank reduce the numbers? Let's check. Okay, oh no, it is not working. It means other operators are not working as well. Now what I need to do, I need to replace this null with 0, then we will be able to do so. So what we can do, simply in the change type we can simply select both the cell, and here we have transform and we can replace values. Value to find is null and replace with zeros and click OK and done, and now you will see here we have net column. So that's how you can operate net column and AND operator and coalesce operator. So let's meet in another video. Till then you can subscribe the channel. See you soon.